Does your craft room look like this? Well, if it does, don't worry about it because I'm going to show you what I did to get organized and we're going to do it with Dollar Tree products. I'm Jamie, the crafty DIY guy. Welcome back to my channel. So needless to say, I definitely had an organizational problem, and the first thing that I grabbed at Dollar Tree were these oversized blue bins. Now, you've seen me haul these before, and I have to say I absolutely love them. They were $5, and I found them in the Dollar Tree Plus section, and they're so good for overflow storage. Anytime that I am creating new projects, or maybe even working on something for seasonal, I like to stack everything I can in these bins, and I can put them away on top of my armoire system, and they are the perfect grab and go to and get crafting whenever I need it. Now, the other must-have that I really love from Dollar Tree are these Sterilite pencil cases. Now, these pencil cases can be found in a lot of different sections. I've found them in the back-to-school section. I've also found them in like the random plastic storage area. And what's so great about these is that they're really, really versatile. They do have a lid that is attached, which I think has very, very helpful. And they do latch here at the front. Now, for me, I'm actually storing my beads in them. During the Christmas season, I always like to find wooden beaded garland because it's already painted. I don't have to do anything. However, when I'm buying a lot of different colors, I need to sort them and separate them. And these containers are absolutely perfect for that. Now, whenever I'm shopping at Dollar Tree, I also like to go through the Glassware where all the jars and different storage kind of containers are, and I always snag some various glass jars. Now, they had these mason jars at one time that were super large, and these are ball mason jars, which I thought were fantastic, but then also they had these that had the silicone lid. This helps keep everything together, and also it's very grab and go friendly, so whenever you're creating something, you can simply just grab these off of a shelf, start creating, and very simply put them right back where they belong. Something I don't always do. Now, it seems like anytime that there's a back to school kind of run at Dollar Tree, they're always coming out with some new baskets and new containers. And you know me and my favorite color, blue. I absolutely loved these, and I grabbed quite a few of these because they are so versatile. Not only can I use them in my craft room for ribbon storage, but I can also use them in my bathroom for toiletries. In this example, I've actually got some toiletry bags. These are my travel bags that I use. And then in the container right next to them, I've got some of my travel size samplers. So it's very easy to grab and go whenever I've got a pack for a trip. I love these. And talk about ribbon storage. Look at the amount of ribbon storage that I get in one of these bins. I love this as well because it's very easy. You can grab it with the handles, you can see what you've got, and you can put it right back where it belongs. See, we've got a theme going here, putting it right back where it belongs. Speaking of my favorite color, navy, I also found these great bucket bins from Dollar Tree. Now, what I love about these is that, again, they're super, super versatile. It's very easy to see what you've got in them. There's these great handles at the top. And again, I may have gone just a little bit crazy with these because I can organize my pantry. I can organize my hall closet. I can put things inside here. I can see my cleaning products. I can grab it by the handle when I need it. And these are also very, very good to use in your craft room. Maybe you're organizing some projects. Maybe you're putting together some different ideas. This is a great container to put it on top of your workstation. It's small enough that it's not going to get in the way. And you've got some amazing inspiration sitting right there in front of you. And it's easy to put away too. Again, in the blue family, these stackable bins, what I really liked about these, of course, besides the color blue, is the fact that they are stackable. Now, what's also really great about these is that they're very small profile. So these will fit into some of the tiniest spaces. And in my craft room, I've got this large armoire that I've been using, and I put a drawer system in there, but there's this little bit of space on the side here that I really wanted to be able to use. And guess what fit perfectly in here? Now, I can go back and grab more of these, hopefully in the same blue color, and stack them up and store all kinds of goodies in these bins. And also what I love about them is that this lip here enables me to label them if I really want to get a little frisky. Keeping it in the back to school family, I absolutely love these chalkboards. What's so great about these chalkboards is in the back to school section, they're kind of made for lockers, but these are perfect for DIY projects. And if you're wanting to stay organized and you simply add a magnet or a hanger onto the back of these, you can incorporate these into your craft room and into your spaces to stay organized. That's a huge thing. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I have been seeing everybody talking about the Pegboard system from Dollar Tree. And if your Dollar Tree is anything like mine, I can find all of the accessories, but I can't find the actual Pegboard. But did you know that all of these pieces are actually compatible with most Pegboard systems? My Pegboard system actually came from Amazon. I bought 2 panels, I think they were around $35, and I got a total of 4 of them. Now up on my wall in my craft room, I've only got 3 of them because one of them is in my kind of shed or garage area. However, these compatible pieces from Jot worked perfectly on this Pegboard. I loved how they are black. I love how they pop against that kind of chrome or that stainless steel that I've got with my Pegboard system. They're super durable and they also look really, really good. And look at how organized I am, all because I added a few extra pieces. And then maybe I'll get lucky and actually find the Pegboards. And then I'll figure out something else to organize. Now, the other thing I added to my craft room and my crafting arsenal is this overhead camera platform from Glide Gear. The overhead camera platform by Glide Gear is the ideal tool to shoot overhead pictures or video, and it can also be used as a tabletop studio. The overhead camera platform for photography, for example, could be used for photographing small objects or jewelry or even electronics. If you're going to use it as an overhead camera platform like I'm going to be doing, then it's perfect for assembly videos, DIYs, unboxing. I can even do a cooking video with this thing. It is literally fantastic. And also what's great about it is that it can accommodate most DSLR and most other types of cameras. And it is quick and super, super easy to assemble. And it's very much portable because, as you saw, there's not much to the system and it is so, so great. I absolutely love it, and I'm so thankful to have this great tabletop studio at my disposal to create future content for all of you guys. Now, the other thing I definitely recommend that you do whenever you're trying to create your crafting space is personalize it. Love it. Give it some personal reflection, not only with your own style, but also with some fun family mementos. I know for me, seeing pieces of my family and reminders of inspiration really, really help me keep the creative wheels going. And I love the just eclecticness of everything that I've got in my craft space. All right, you guys, let me know in the comments below what your favorite organizational hack was. I definitely like my bin system, and I love the pencil cases that I'm using to house all of my beads in. I want to thank Glide Gear for sponsoring today's video and providing me with that overhead camera platform. That is going to be used so much for some upcoming DIY videos, and I look forward to bringing you many, many more. If you're one of my subscribers, thank you so much for being here, and I look forward to bringing you more very, very soon. Take care, everybody.